vertical tail portion is affected by side wash. Okay, copy down this. So when this side wash will appear on the vertical tail, then because of that your C and beta will change. Introduced. Your C and beta will change. Now your C and beta, because see earlier we introduced C and beta without the effect of side wash. So that's why we got only 3 terms in C and beta. If you recheck, I'll just change the page, just a minute. See here, in this equation of C and beta, we don't have the effect of side wash. So in GATE exam, if they are saying not to consider side wash or they are not at all talking about side wash, then you will use this equation. But if side wash will come into picture, then no, there is no special name. Then you have to write C and beta equation like this. C and beta, you have to introduce that term. So C and beta is going to be same minus eta. I am talking about the vertical tail, and then your V value for the vertical tail, and then your Cy beta, but you have to introduce the side wash effect also. So side wash effect will be 1 plus dou sigma by dou beta. See, we were using epsilon for downwash and we are using sigma for side wash. So you write here where sigma is side wash angle.